This is the simplest, fastest, and most effective way for you to start closing more deals and growing your business. It's something that will take you literally less than 5 minutes on a weekly basis. And I'm saying this because I know it works. It worked for me, it works for my clients, and I can see the results on a daily basis. Someone like Sabrina managed to start 30 conversations and set more appointments with just one email sent out the first time she ever tried using this system. And this system is called the Deal of the Week. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down all of the details, showing you exactly how to set it up, and giving you a step-by-step guide for you to start implementing it today. If you're doing any type of marketing, lead generation, or have a database of leads, stop what you're doing and make sure you implement this into your business today, because I can guarantee you this is the highest ROI task you can do to start working your database, scheduling more appointments, or closing more deals. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get them answered. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the Deal of the Week system. Now, if you're doing any type of lead generation, I want you to stop until you understand this framework. It's the simplest and most effective task you can do. So before running any more ads, posting on social media, or doing whatever you're doing, I want you to understand and first set up the simple tasks you can do on a weekly basis. It's one simple thing you can do and commit to on a weekly basis that can completely transform the way you work. Super simple to do. It needs to be done every single week. It's going to take you less than 5 minutes to implement. It's going to increase your conversions, and most importantly, is going to increase the amount of conversations you have with your leads on a weekly basis. And remember, the goal of running ads is not just to run ads and get leads who want to buy today. The goal of running ads is to be able to help build our database. That's the mindset we need to be going into when we do any type of lead generation. It's not just trying to close the deals today. It's focused on building our database, because the size of your database corresponds to how successful you're going to be. If you want to see consistent results, you need to have a database that you're working on and actually building up and actually has value, because it's useless focusing on a database that you're never actually working on. If you're not sending emails, if you're not following up, if you're not engaging them, if you're not providing value, it's useless. And this is something I learned from Sharran Srivatsaa. He's a billionaire. He's done over 1 million in A/B tests to actually test this framework. And it's applied to real estate specifically as well. However, it applies to any niche in the world. It works in real estate, in service-based businesses, in restaurants, whatever it may be. The Deal of the Week or the Offer of the Week can work for you. It's the simplest and best way to work on your database without being salesy and sleazy and pushy, by making it easy on yourself and making it simple for you to do and providing value to your database. Now, this is the way it works. We have to remember one thing. All conversions happen in conversations. All conversions happen in conversations. Think about that for a second. Whenever we run ads, whenever we do any type of lead generation, the deal is closed in conversation. Not through an ad they clicked on and then bought a property, right? They spoke to you, they dealt with you. So the way this all works and the starting point is through a conversation. So what we want to focus on now is having more conversations, because the more conversations we have, the more chances we have of closing more deals and speaking to more people, right? So how can we do that? How can we actually start more conversations with the leads we have in our database? And the only way we can do this is by providing value. A value exchange needs to happen. If you're sending out emails, if you're sending out messages, whatever you're doing, a lead is only going to respond to you if it's beneficial for them, if you're providing value to them. The way we do this is by teasing relevant information to our list in order to re-engage them into an actual conversation. That's all we want to do. Lead generation, working on a database, we just want to start conversations where we can then lead on to actually selling. Now, the reason why most email newsletters don't work is because most people are tired of them. You get thousands of emails every single day bombarded with offers, different deals, different campaigns, and we've all developed something called banner blindness or ad blindness, which basically means whenever an email comes into our inbox, we just click delete. Whenever we see an ad on Facebook, we just passes us by, because we're so used to actually getting sold all over and over and over again. We've sort of developed this inside us where we just ignore most of these ads that we see. And most of the time, email newsletters suck. They're generic, they're impersonal, they have low value, and they're just one email sent out to thousands of people that just looks like an ad and looks like I'm trying to sell you something. And that's why they don't work. The reason why the Offer of the Week or the Deal of the Week is so different is because it's singularity focused, urgency driven, value oriented, personalized, and easy to digest. And this framework works because it aligns with the psychology of marketing. We're not trying to sell anything, and we're sending a simple email or text message to our list that entices them, creates urgency and scarcity, and provides value to our list. And that's why people respond. So this is the framework, and this is how it all works. The Deal of the Week is a simple text-based email or SMS or WhatsApp message sent once a week to your entire database. That's simple. The first part is the subject line, the hook that will help someone open the email. And all it's going to be is the location first, Deal of the Week afterwards. That's it. Now, the reason why people click on that subject line is because people see the location, which is the familiarity, and then they see deal of the week, which is the FOMO. They want to understand what the deal of the week of that property is in that specific area. Simple, follow this, it works like gold. Second thing is the content. It needs to be easy to read and scannable. All we're going to do here is 2 or 3 bullets about the home, 2 or 3 bullets about the neighborhood, and 2 or 3 bullets about why you actually like it. You can give the price, but no other information is in this email. There's no photos, there's no plans, there's no attachment, there's no links, nothing. 2 bullets about the home, 2 bullets about the neighborhood, 2 bullets about why you like it. And the third thing, which is the most important part of the email, is the call to action. All we're going to do here is not send them to our website, is not link them to somewhere else. All you're going to write is, if you're interested, just reply and I will get you all the details. That's it. If you're interested, reply to this email and I'll send you over all the details. That's it. No links, no call me, no text me, nothing. You want to make it as simple for the actual lead to respond back to you. And that's it. Simple. Subject line, content, call to action. 3 steps, 3 easy things to follow. It'll take you 5 minutes to create and it works like magic every single time. Because remember, there's only 3% of leads who want to buy today. Whenever you're doing any type of marketing, whenever you're doing any type of lead generation, most of the people you're going to interact with are just in the information gathering phase or problem aware phase. Now, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months down the line, a year down the line, once they receive these emails, once they go to the top of the pyramid, which they're actually ready to buy, and they see the email, that's when we start re-engaging these leads. So we always want to be working on a weekly basis, hitting as many times as possible on our list in a valuable way. And this is the simplest way to do it because you're providing value to them. It's not annoying or you're not trying to sell them on anything. And they respond back to you when they want more information. So think about how powerful that is. Whenever your leads are going up this pyramid and going into the actual buy now phase, because you're consistent and you're sending an email every single week, you're always managing to be top of mind. So that's why it works so well as well. And remember, all conversions happen in conversation. All we want to do here is start a conversation again, re-engage that lead, provide value, and then go on appointments and sell whatever we want to sell. But the whole idea here is that the conversions happen in conversations. And here's some examples. So, property address coming soon, in location, asking price, then the stats of the property, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1,468 square feet of living space, 2-car garage, single family attached property. My highlights, located in the sought after community. Kitchen features updated cabinets and countertops, wooden tiles and floors and main level, freshly painted interior. Your highlights of that property. If you're interested in this home, just reply home and I will get you all the details. All the best. That's it. No images, no text, no links. Simple text-based email. Works like magic every single time. Here's an example of a text-based message. A WhatsApp message sent out to all of her list saying, hi, contact first name, hope all is well. I have a new listing in location that is similar to the property you had shown interest in. I'm about to list this on the market but wanted to contact my private clients before doing so for you to have early access. Would you like me to send over the details? This WhatsApp message was sent out to her entire list. It was personalized with her name, following the same ideas of the deal of the week. And she got over 35 replies in 1 day. She sent 100 messages, she got 35 replies. Think about how powerful that is. Now, I just want to show you that this works for any business you operate in. For me, who's looking for more coaching clients and helping more real estate agents, I send over a client of the week. Here's Simon, a real estate agent from Costa del Sol. Location, problem. The problem the client has with attracting American clients that wanted to invest in real estate in Spain. Types of clients, relocation, retirement, property investment, golden visa. Key facts. Struggling to attract clients and putting himself in front of the right clients. Tried running ads before but got no results. Simon's highlights. Within 1 week of launching his first ad, we generated over 30 leads. He booked over 3 calls within the first week. Hit reply if you want to see the strategy and the exact ad we're using to get these results. That's it. Finished. Added the bonus to mine. By the way, if you're looking for a specific type of client, just reply with the city you're working from, what type of clients you're looking to attract, and I'll get you over what you need. You can use the same thing for your real estate business, which will be, by the way, if you're looking for a specific type of property in a neighborhood, let me know what type of property that would be, and I will send you over deal of the week custom to you. And look at this. These are over 10 replies within the first day of sending out this email from people who I've never spoken to before who were in my list through the ads I was generating. And now we're actually in conversations and converting these into actually closed deals. So how you can do this today? Simple. Make sure you're using a CRM or a software that you can actually use to send out emails to your list. Emails or bulk SMS or WhatsApp messages. Now, once you have that, just make sure you implement the same framework, follow the same step-by-step process, and send it out to your list and let me know what the results were in the comment section below. If you need any more guidance or have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Or if you'd like, you can join our free community. The link is in the bio. We give you access to all of the training, materials, software, free trials, everything you need to make sure you can start implementing these things today with proven systems that work for all of our clients. Now, I have a software called Agent Leaders that comes along with all of these systems preloaded into your account. The email campaigns, the nurturing campaigns, the automations, the ads you can run to generate leads. So if you want access to this, to be able to start using software to transform your business, comment CRM down below and I'll get you all the details you need.